Barrett, I told you there's no coronavirus in the dryer.
Better not be.
We have the coil in our dryer is apparently bad.
Oh.
And Barrett's trying to take out the screws that are in. Did you get one of them?
Yeah.
You're a genius. There's 2 screws holding that bracket. That bracket right there.
In the front and in the back.
I'll show you in a minute. The 2 in the front are easy to get out. But
Got it.
you're just gonna, you got it?
Mm-hmm.
Good job, Barrett.
There's no way to put it back in though. I don't know how you.
What do you mean?
To do that.
You got to.
I don't know how I'm supposed to do
You got
that.
to. Once you find the hole, it'll be easy. I know. I can hear the jokes now. But
at least once you get the 2 in the front, it ain't like it's going anywhere.
This dryer is not that old. You know, back in my day, Barrett, we could buy a used dryer for $150 and it would last for 5 years. You know, this is practically a brand new dryer.
Yeah.
And we're already having to replace the coil. I hope that's what it is because the video that I watched said it could be those little thermistors or whatever in there. We'll show in a second. But Barrett's doing a good job. And there's going to be a harness or some...
Yeah, I mean, it's connected to a bunch of stuff.
hold on. How are we going to know which wire goes where?
Take a picture, I guess.
Take a picture.
I mean, it's got red, blue, and black. So
how many aren't there? Like 2 for each of those little thermistor things?
Yeah, 1 red, 1 blue, and then blue and black, and then blue and black.
What you need to do, take the camera and stick it in there and see if you can video. I'll try to put this on a wide angle and see if you can video the, you know, the configuration. It's already running. You turn it upside down though. Can you get the camera in there?
Yeah,
They'll literally get the
red.
camera inside.
It's red and blue.
You want to adjust?
I can see better than the camera can.
Yeah, but your memory's not as good as the camera's.
I know.
So
There you go.
You gonna try to take a picture?
Yeah.
The main thing is, I mean, the worst case scenario is that we have to look at a wire diagram, but if we hook it up wrong, you want to adjust?
I can see better than the camera can.
Yeah, but your memory's not as good as the camera's.
I know.
So
There you go.
You gonna try to take a picture?
Yeah.
The main thing is, I mean, the worst case scenario is that we have to look at a wire diagram, but if we hook it up wrong, what are you doing, drawing a little diagram on your phone?
Yeah.
That's funny. If it blows up, it's your fault.
Shit.
We got Barrett's old school electric meter here. That's like 10 times older than the dryer.
I don't know what I'm supposed to do.
Connect those 2 points right there. See these 2 points right here? Now see how you're not getting anything?
Mm-hmm.
We got it set on ohms. Now connect these 2. Now let me show you what to connect. Connect that one and that one. Okay. You got it connected? Does this thing shut off? I think your battery's dead. Because it was working.
Yeah.
Anyway, we did find, where is it, Barrett? Right here? Yeah, we did find where the coil. I could swear when I first looked that was not broken.
Yep.
It's almost like it was barely connected, and then when we like set it, dropped it down on the floor or something, it came unconnected. The wife is messing up my vidget, doing a vacuum cleaner. So we got the new coil in, Barrett. We had to take, these little clips came all the way out. It came with the clips all the way to the exterior. So we took those out. We took that whole thing out. Now I can't try to do it with one hand, it won't go back in. Got it. So now we just need to put the housing back together. Let's do that, Barrett. Can you see the new coil in there, Barrett?
Yep.
We got her all back in there. Now we're gonna try to remember how we had the wires. This was number 3, so it went down here. We were smart, we labeled them. And how much you want to bet? That's number 2. It went right there. And I remember the red went on top, remember?
No, the red went on bottom. Yep, because all the blues were in the same.
I'm gonna go, I'm pretty sure the red was on top.
Because you kept the black in the same place, thankfully, so we know that all the blues were in the same order. All the blues were in the same.
Yeah, let me go look at the video. So there you go. There's your wiring diagram. Barrett and I were smart. We numbered our wires, so we got her all back in there. Now let's see if we can get these screws back in, Barrett. Hold this right here for a second. I want to see if I can get this back. Because you got to get this in there, and then we're going to try to put the stand on it. This doohickey. Well, I don't remember it having that seat. I do remember this being,
that part went to the ground. These two, because those are the 2 screws.
but this was back in there like that, right? And this thing, it screwed in like this, didn't it?
Yep.
Let's see. That I see. That goes just like that. So where's my screws for this?
Cool, because I didn't know where that was.
Hold on, let's see if we can show them back in there. Can you shine your light there? Something good. See, the end of this has to slide into that housing back there in the back, and we got it finally. We had to turn the dryer up this way. We got it up on the operating table here. We haven't found any carona yet, thankfully. Just a little
What is all that?
crud right here. It could have some stuff right there. Don't know. Now, those other, how many screws you have? 4? You have that little screwdriver?
I do.
Our tiny. Now see, if we hadn't ordered those casters, we wouldn't have our tiny screwdriver.
Could use a drill
I
for
want to know
these
what you
2.
do. I want to put the camera in front of your face so you can't see. Thankfully, there's not that much thread on those
Can't even tell
screws.
if I'm even.
Let me see. Here, boy. Let me see.
Yeah, I am. It just got tight. Just couldn't tell it
So there ain't
first.
that much thread on them.
Because I couldn't see it, so I couldn't.
You're really making it difficult to make a video here with your hands in the way. I can't get a good shot.
Welcome to my world.
Now the next one that's going to be fun are these back here.
Yeah.
Which is funny. I can actually see them. Well, for now. Let's see. I'll let you go first.
In the world, man.
You had to use that hole. You couldn't go around this way.
There's two different ones. You got one over here and one over there.
Can you find it?
I don't know.
Which side is it? Oh, it's on the other side. Is it in the little tab?
I'm gonna have to use this.
Look here, you know how, let me ask you something. You see this tab right here?
Yeah.
That tab that went into the slot?
Yep.
That doesn't look like it's sitting down. So check that before you start screwing the screws in.
Hey, no, that's not a. That went in way too easy. I don't know what that is, but that is.
This is a little bit of a pain, but it's cheaper than, I don't know. I guess, I wonder if it's cheaper paying Barrett or paying the repairman. That's more fun to pay Barrett.
I got a mortgage too.
Yeah, it's more fun to pay Barrett to help me.
Yeah, I got one of them actually. Crazy enough.
Wish I had a light I could show. You know, you need to have concerns about the creator, content creator. You know.
I'm just glad I got one of them in.
I
That's really all you need.
I could film it upside down and then flip it over.
You don't need both of them. You just need one of them.
Bull crap! That thing will vibrate out of there.
Why is it not wanting to do?
Is that the last screw?
Thankfully.
Let me tell you right now, this is not as easy as they show it in the YouTube videos. What they're doing in the YouTube videos is showing you the easy stuff. It's not that easy. It's not that easy. And so I mean, you can do it. Is it not closing good?
No, that's fine. Yeah.
See, turn it on now, Barrett, and see if it'll get. See if it'll go. Like, put it on heavy duty. Is it on heavy duty?
Mm-hmm.
Let's see if it'll get hot.
Sounds like it works.
Can you ease it back a little bit? You go easy, because that brace will come, that thing will come off. Whoa, slow down. Go easy. That's good enough. We got a big utility room.
First and last.
I'm surprised we can't smell. I'm surprised we can't smell the dust being blown off, burnt off the coil, the new coil.
Yeah.
Now open the door and see if you can feel warm air in there.
Oh yeah, works fine.
Oh, cool.
Yeah.
Thank you, son. I don't know. Was it okay? So let me ask you this: if you could save, what would they charge? $100? I guess it was worth it. I don't know.
It's fixed.
If I had to put $100, if I had to put more than $50 into this, I would go buy a new one. Because I spent what, 2 hours?
Yeah.
Working on it. It's the problem is that the cheap crap that's being made now, the tolerances are way too crazy. Screw holes don't line up, brackets bend. We had to bend the brackets that hold this bottom. They were bent. We had to bend them back.
Yeah, to bend them
just to get the door back on. And back in the old days, the gauge of the metal would have been twice that thickness. You wouldn't have been able to bend it if you tried. Anyway, it's done. Hopefully it'll work.
Yeah,
we'll let Mama check it out.
That's awesome.